Hey, happy new year. You know, some things change and some things remain the same. So is Prime Gainers still paying in 2024? We're going to find out. But of course, before we look into all of that, I got to say, not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. Only invest what you're willing and able to lose. And always do your own due diligence. That being said, let's go ahead and look at Prime Gainers. And before I do that, I just got to say Happy New Year to all the people out there. You know, I took some time off to spend some time with family in December, and thank you for all those that reached out, all the concern and everything like that. Everything is fine. Just spent some time with the family, and now I am back and ready to roll. And speaking of ready to roll, are they still paying? Well, let's go check it out. All right, here we are in the Telegram group. And if you're not being part of the Telegram group where I give the latest, most updated information, make sure to click on the link in the description and comments of this video. And as you can see, yes, Prime Gainers is still giving that 8% after 24 hours. So since it's paying, it's staying. You know, I got to like that even in 2024. All right, here we are at the profit spreadsheet. You know, Prime Gainers was one of my probably about my top 3 prime platforms of 2023, and it's still kicking it in 2024. As you can see, I started with this platform on July 12th. I've been active in this platform for 174 days, still getting that 8% per day. And we're gonna look at the plans. And one of the things I like about this platform, should I say, is the fact that it's only held for 24 hours. So one of the downsides, of course, if you got vacation, if you got time away, you don't get that every day. So I didn't get that total profit. But the fact that you can get that 8% in one day and your money's only held for that period of time makes it an incredible platform. All right, so here are the Prime Gainers prime time plans. The starter plan, you're gonna get 8% after 24 hours. Minimum investment is only $100 up to $9.99 on that one. The golden plan, get golden, baby. 15% after 48 hours. That's $1,000 to $19,999 in the V, the I and the P plan. 30% after 72 hours, $10,000 minimum on that one to unlimited. So if you want to be part of Prime Gainers, make sure to click on the link in the descriptions and comments of this video. All right, so here we are in the back office of Prime Gainers. Now, if you want to get started, all you have to do is click on deposit here. And now all you have to do is select your plan. So you have the plan number 1, as we talked about, 8%, minimum 100 to $9.99. Don't worry, we're not going to go through all of them. And you just select your plan. And now here are the currencies that you can use to get started with Prime Gainers: Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD, TRC20, baby, USD, ERC20, Dogecoin, BNB Smart Chain, and XLM. We're going to do that USD, TRC20. All right, and what you want to do now is you want to go back here, and if you have this open, you're getting everything on the side, so you want to go ahead and collapse that. Now that's going to open that up. You want to make sure everything's correct here. You got your wallet address, plan 1, all the plans. And now once you have sent the money, you're going to click on save. I'm not going to do that now because I want to share something with you in a little bit. So, but make sure that you stay around for that. I'm not going to click on save because I don't want to create any kind of duplicate deposits. But after you've done that, after you've sent it and you click on save, then you are good to go. All right, that is Prime Gainers still rocking and rolling in 2024. So you get 8% after 24 hours, minimum of $100 to get started on that one. The golden plan, 15% after 48 hours, minimum of $1,000 on that one. In the VIP plan, 30% after 72 hours, $10,000 to get started on that. If you want to be part of Prime Gainers in 2024, make sure to click on the link in the description and comments of this video. With that being said, this is Sean wishing you a very happy new year. And I'll see you on the next video.